I actually have a homework for you. So you actually need to create a parent class vehicle and store brand and model inside that parent class, and then create two child classes, that is a car and a bike, and then both of those classes should inherit from the parent class vehicle, and then you need to add a unique method to a car and a unique method to a bike and override the common method. So create a common method that is sound, and the car will create a sound of broom, and the bike will simply create a sound of groom. So there are two different sounds. One is broom and the other is groom. So you will actually have to create a common function inside the vehicle class and then modify it for car class and bike class separately. And to do all this, you will have to use a super keyword or the super function inside both of the child classes, and then create at least two objects and test every method that we have created in the car class, bike class, and the super class, that is the vehicle class. So here is the question for you. Let me just comment this whole code out.